It is another beautiful day. So, greetings and blessings to you all. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. Today, we are juicing some tropical fruits. Delicious, nutritious, refreshing, hydrating, just name it. We start with some mangoes, very ripened and sweet, because today we're not adding any sweetener to our juice. Cut through the flesh of the mango fruit without going through the skin to harvest only the flesh. Just like so. Done with the mango. Our next ingredient is very ripened pineapple. And I've already peeled it and I'm just cutting them into little squares to fit them into the blender. And for this recipe, we'll also need some oranges, some lemon, and ginger. And as always, the list of ingredients and their quantities will be left for you in the description box below. I am juicing the lemons and the oranges. The ginger I have already cut up and are currently in the blender. I will strain the juice off the lemon and the oranges because there are seeds in there, which I do not want in the blender. This juice I totally love for myself and my family because it is full of vitamin C, which is an important vitamin that helps our body to absorb and keep iron. Iron is necessary for oxygenating our body cells and organs. So it's good for you. Every angle you look at this drink, it is perfect. And today, like I said, we're not adding any additional sugars because these fruits are extremely ripened. Key, make sure your mangoes and your pineapples as well as your oranges are ripened to perfection. And also please add about 240 milliliters of water, drinking water that is, and blend away. We will be straining today to remove the pulp to make this juice a pulp-free kind of juice. But you can leave yours in there if you want a more smoothie consistency. No problem at all. That refreshing yellow color on it is quite inviting. It's so refreshing. And the texture too is silky smooth and velvety. Very enjoyable, friends. And it has an obvious thickness to the consistency of the juice, and that is because of the mango and the concentration of the natural sugars in here because our fruits again are very ripened. Now I will be thinning it up to get it from this smoothie consistency to more like a juice. And it's also very, very sweet right now, so we want to dilute it. So I'm adding 500 more milliliters of drinking water to it. And that is all she wrote. We will be serving this over some ice. And now let's think about the fruits we have in here and why we chose these fruits. First, the pineapple has that tropical quality to it. Plus the mango, it just takes it up and over the top. Now the oranges, hey, need I say more? An orange a day keeps the doctor away. More vitamin C, you can't beat that. And we needed to add the lemon juice in here to balance all that sweetness we have going on and also to enhance the tropicality of it, right? If there's such a word. If not, I've just coined it. And also the ginger just makes it all the more special. I love ginger in my juices. And the peppery taste and aroma of ginger is just complimentary. Also, ginger has medicinal properties, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial. So, hey, it is an important ingredient to have in here, all right, all the way around. I stored the excess juice in those airtight bottles, but then I decided to come right back and transform the rest of the juice into popsicles. It is getting hot out there, and I knew my children would love this, so I went for it. So I have these disposable cups and I pour the rest of the juice into them and inserted a popsicle stick into each one of these cups and into the freezer they went. I did not need to cover these cups because everything in my freezer is in an airtight container, so there will be no exchanging of smells. Just for a couple of hours and voila. My children love these. Now, when they come out of the freezer, you can run some warm water from the tap on them to loosen the popsicle right out of the cup. And if you're wondering why I didn't take my own advice, well, let me tell you. My children, they were impatiently waiting, so I felt rushed, which threw me off of my game. Friends, I hope you enjoyed yourselves. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. These red ones are actually from my recent watermelon juicing that I shared the video with you. It's also linked below if you would like to check it out. I hope you learned a thing or two and are inspired to try this beautiful recipe. Friends, make it a great day, and as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.